is a big day, a huge day, hence why I'm looking the way that I do. The floorboards are going in. And by the end of the day, this is gonna look like a real house. You may recall in the beginning, we actually had to re-stump. So the foundations of the house were appalling. You'd go into each room and there was almost a bit of a slant. If Harvey had his car, it would have rolled down. I'm not excited by something like re-stumping. In fact, I'm far from excited. I would say, like anything, get the foundations right and then the rest comes easily. That's the biggest tip I would give anyone. Do you guys remember that this had beautiful cork tiles?
It was beautiful. I'm surprised you pulled it up.
I know,
actually.
I know. It was a tough decision, but I thought we better do it. Now that we've widened the hallway, what I'm keen to do is to run a beautiful oak floorboard throughout the house. We went for an oak board from Godfrey Hirst, the Regal Oak.
Beautiful.
That we've actually got in our Brighton store as well.
Anything we can help you with?
Look, I'm hoping that you can.
Yep.
We're renovating a house at the moment. I'm about to rip up all of the old dirty carpet.
Yep.
And I need to put a beautiful timber flooring down. We've actually got a Scandinavian business, so I always tend to go to the lighter
colours, yep.
Now, I'm not sure whether that's practical or not with the kids.
Oh, look, with a lighter board, it tends to mark less, so it doesn't look as prominent as a darker board would. I'd still prefer the lighter colour.
Okay, perfect. And I'm going to be honest, I'm not into cleaning.
Neither am I.
Okay, well that's good.
That's an oil-based top, so it tends to bring out the characteristics a lot more. Where that's a varnish type finish.
Knots.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's Regal Oak Dalton.
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to go that one. I actually need carpet as well.
We can certainly help you with that as well.
Godfrey Hirst to help with carpet. Okay. Yep. So, being a Scandi home, I'm going to want to go for something that's a grey tone. That's more us.
Yeah. So if you have a look at that.
Okay.
And we can grab the timber sample and have a look at it.
Gosh, I love that. It's almost like a rug. If I didn't have a family, I would probably go timber throughout the whole house because I absolutely love it. But we've got kids, so we've put carpet in the bedrooms. I think it's also about how often our kids sit on the floor.
Absolutely.
Basically, that's where they spend half their life. Even when they're, riding around on their little scooters indoors, there's some safety around the house. What's awesome about this flooring is that it's literally a click system. So, if I was a little bit handy, perhaps I could do it myself. With a bit of muscle power, in it goes. To save money, because I did my research, and barn doors are about $1,000.
Wow.
So we got a slider door, and then we got the Easy Craft, so it matches everything. Yeah. And look, how cool is this? My favourite thing. It's got a soft closer. I'm gonna go a black handle. So, and then we've got black leather handles going on there.
That'll look so good, and it'll tie in with your black front door as well.
So we have the double doors here from Corinthian. They make a really beautiful entrance. So we're going to go with the modern arcs and skirts in the back room to go with a more Scandinavian and minimal aesthetic. And then we're going to go with something more traditional in the front, which will go with the heritage of the home, and that will be the heritage skirts from Corinthian.
So here we are.
Here we are.
I'm excited.
Do you like the doors?
I love the door.
We've been able to widen the hallway, which meant I could get my double doors from Corinthian. Yeah, the carpet reminds me of our rugs. Yeah,
It's a really good grey.
I know, and I love the little balls of wool.
Yeah. Is this not the coolest toy room you've ever seen?
This area, I think, is one that we've just experimented with a bit more colour.
Had a bit of fun.
Just the way that you see from the front door to the back door and the way that they flow.
Yes.
I think these boards just make a really good statement.
And running them this way just creates
the
sense of-
illusion.
yeah,
you
it
know,
does.
it's still a relatively small home, but I think everything feels quite spacious in the way that we've applied the design.